So this is my latest project. I'll show you the progress as we go. So this is my latest project. I bought the frame off of Craigslist for $100 at the beginning of the year, or at the end of last year. Supposed to have one of the, the plastic covers on it. That was never my intention. My wife went with me, Vermont. We picked up some roofing panels, and we're gonna try and build this thing to last at least longer than a year. Take it easy. I'll show you the progress as we go.
Okay, so before I could put the carport up, I actually needed to move my propane tanks. And this is a base that I was building. Those are the two propane tanks that I had. I used to have a porch on the side of the house, so those were lined up with the porch. We had Irving come in. They put the big 500-gallon tank out, took the two 100-gallon tanks gone, and then I actually had to dig a trench from the back tank to the house. Couldn't find a picture of me doing it with the trencher. There's Tori and one of her friends kind of helping me put everything back. And that's kind of the best picture I could find that has the that part of it done. And here it is, kind of me building it.
Okay, progress. Tori helped me out a little bit. It's coming along. That stuff's flexible, so hopefully I can support it well enough that it'll last the winter. Still got to be better than that tarp stuff, so we'll see. Stay tuned for more. Hey TikTok, so it's raining actually, but I wanted to give you an update on the carport. This started off as a $100 frame that I bought. The canvas was shot. I wanted something a little bit better than what you get by a new canvas, and I wanted to keep it as budget friendly as possible. I'm dry. It's no longer raining in here. What I did here is we took some strapping, put it up there. I bought the PVC corrugated roofing from Home Depot. Definitely nothing square, and we had to do a lot of modifications to get it working. But I think it'll last. At least I'm in Vermont, so last longer than those other ones. Bye. Okay, I got an update on the carport. I have a tarp in the back. I don't like the way it is set up, but I'm going to definitely do it again. And I'm trying to build a little frame right here that I can somewhat come up with a door. I mean, this is one cob job, but it's a lot of fun. I found some outdoor lights, and that's my lighting inside. The girls like it. They like dancing in it. So we'll see how it's done. It'll probably never be done. Eventually, it's probably going to host my Jeep that I'm building. But for right now, it's just some dry area that I'm having some fun building.
Eric, are you too far over center? I can't tell. There we go. Yeah. I'm only the engine. You are the field. Go ahead. Hard. Good. Stop.
I can't see the wheels or understand what.
Good, right there.
Yeah.
Go. Whenever you want to stop, I don't care. Kind of, sort of centered?
Yeah.
Kind of, sort of. Hey, put the wooden block in front of that tire so it doesn't roll. Ain't going nowhere.
And here's what it looks like during the summer, all finished.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. Here it is in the middle of winter. Kind of see, we've had a lot of snow this winter. So you can see where it's really built up against the house. That's not the best deal, but it is what it is. Hey, check it out. I also got the logo on my hat. Loving it. So, hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear back from you. I'd love to hear if you had one of these things. So far, it's been up quite a few years. This is like the third or fourth winter that it's actually been up and used. Finally getting to editing the music or editing the photos. So, as always, enjoy life. Bye.